Whether you're looking for a drone that can last as many as 41 minutes in the air, or one that has a camera which is powerful enough to shoot 5.4K videos, we have got you covered. This video presents the 5 best drones money can get you in 2022. Let's delve right into it. Number 5. DJI Air 2S. Our first pick amongst the latest high-end drones of 2022 is the DJI Air 2S, which blends a robust, folding design with a 20MP 1-inch image sensor. The Air 2S offers such advantages as the ability to shoot 5.4K video at 30 FPS and 1080p at 120 FPS, along with an impressive high ISO performance to boot. Boasting a flight time of 31 minutes and a portable 1.3 pounds, the DJI Air 2S, which costs a relatively affordable $999, synergizes portability and performance into a superb multi-purpose flying machine that takes its mid-range rivals to the cleaners. The Air 2S is our top choice for hobbyists and pros alike who need a powerful drone that is convenient to fly and offers a good flight time. However, if you're looking to save some money without compromising much on quality, we recommend the DJI Mavic Air 2, a solid alternative we'll present later. Number 4. The DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is arguably the best camera drone. It is fitted with not one but 2 4 and 3 CMOS cameras with a 20MP resolution and a 28x hybrid zoom lens, capable of capturing 5.1K video. It boasts a sensor with a dynamic range of 12.8 stops to retain more details in light and shadow. The Mavic 3, which can brag of a flight time of up to 41 minutes, counts as one of DJI's costliest models, with the company claiming the camera is sophisticated enough to bring your footage to a professional level. A noteworthy attribute of the Mavic 3 is its intelligent return function, which optimizes a safe return to its point of origin while employing omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Moreover, the Mavic 3 has a maximum transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers. However, the Mavic 3 is not cheap, coming in at a steep $2,199. For relatively cheaper but equally capable drones, stay tuned. Which of the 2 drones discussed so far do you think gives you your money's worth? Drop a name in the comment section. Number 3. The DEERC D10. Next is the DEERC D10, which is user-friendly, especially to beginners. While the tech isn't exactly cutting-edge, reflected in its sub-$130 price tag, it can accomplish a great deal for newbies looking to start piloting drones. The DEERC D10 can shoot HD footage from up to 100 meters away and fly for up to 24 or 30 minutes. It also incorporates voice and interactive commands. For example, you can automatically launch the drone into the sky by saying, "Take off," or wave your arm in a particular direction and get it to follow the lead. Number 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2. The next killer piece of equipment on our lineup is the DJI Mavic Air 2, which can reach a top speed of 42 miles per hour. A popular choice in the mid-high priced range, the DJI Mavic Air 2 gives you a cinematic capture that supports 8K hyperlapse for absorbing city-spanning footage. The camera position allows for smooth image recording even when shooting 4K video at 60 FPS. The Mavic Air 2 has a battery life of up to 34 minutes and a transmission distance of 6 kilometers. It has a tracking technology to lock on subjects and keep them in central focus. This magnificent piece of beauty offers long battery life, obstacle detection, and automated tracking shots for an amount as low as $800 on Amazon. If you are enjoying this video, share it with that drone geek in your family or that friend of yours who's looking to buy his first drone. Number 1. The DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2, one of the best drones on offer today, is the final entry on our list of the 5 best drones of 2022. The Mini 2 is DJI's least expensive and most compact drone, making it extremely portable. It packs up with its controller into a carrying case no bigger than a lunchbox, with room left over for spare parts and extra batteries. The Mini 2 has been improved to shoot 4K video, has a 9.7 kilometers range, and can remain airborne for up to 31 minutes. The DJI Mini 2 is a resoundingly popular choice if you're looking to save some money. The idea for developing this simple drone came to an employee whose granddad learned to fly his Mavic Air just so he could visit the school where the granddad used to work. The drone's 12MP camera, pegged on a 3-axis gimbal for smoother rotation and positioning, can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS. Despite its small build, the Mini 2, which can withstand level 5 winds, can reach an altitude of 4,000 meters while zooming up to 4 times. For a drone that costs less than $449, the Mini 2 is mighty impressive feature-wise. We have just the right video for you if you would like a more comprehensive review of the DJI Mini 2. Alright, guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, kindly go ahead and share it with friends and family who just won't stop talking about drones.